Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I did an update on my 2.6 gallon flue vault tank. Originally this was a cherry shrimp tank with a couple guppies, but now I just have 2 male guppies, 1 female guppy, and 3 small ember tetras. There are some snails in the tank and some plants. As you can see, my pothos plant here is doing pretty nicely. I love when they're growing in the tank like that. So let's take a closer look and also do a quick water change. I want to show you guys how I do my water changes. So let's get right to it. Alright, here's our 2 male guppies and our little emperor tetras. There's also a female guppy in here. As you can see, I do have a little bit of hair algae in the tank. Nothing too bad, just have to basically clean the tank up a little bit. I haven't really been keeping up with the water changes. Here's our pothos plant. Doing really nice. You see the roots in the water there. Fish love the roots, it's a nice hiding spot. Alright, so first things first, we use our little magnet here and wipe down the side of the tank. This gets all of that algae off of our glass. Next, I want to shut the tank off. Disconnect our feeder. Alright, we take our sponge from the back, take out a good amount of water. We have our sponge we put back. And now let's give our tank an hour to settle down and then we'll take a closer look.